beefy smiles. She's got a golden buckle latched upon her belt. I watch it sway from side to side, can't explain just what I felt. When I looked at her and her eyes caught mine, she's so high you can see me melt. That's when I knew that I had to love her, but she's better off by herself. Yeah, better off by herself. She ain't never been to the city, it's not her kind of rodeo. If she can't get there on the back of her horse, it ain't nowhere she needs to go. No, it ain't nowhere she needs to go. She's got a golden buckle and her name on the back of her belt. I read it aloud, she walked by, my eyes on her, I'm sure she fell. She didn't stop or look my way, it's a blow only she could have dealt. That's when I knew that I had to love her, but she's better off by herself. Yeah, better off by herself. Never followed her out on the dance floor, she'd have walked away before saying no. She's the kind of girl you bring home to mama, but you'll never ever get her to go. Yeah, better off by herself. She's got a golden buckle latched upon her belt. I watch it sway from side to side, can't explain just what I felt. When I looked at her and her eyes caught mine, she's so high you can see me melt. That's when I knew that I had to love her, but she's better off by herself. Yeah, better off by herself.